didn't. You must be imagining things.
Stop, seriously, unzip it. Stop.
Okay. Hey, I can get
Hey, there's a
out of
kid in
here.
there. It's like a caterpillar. Are you a butterfly? It's a butter Dylan.
That freaks me out.
Are you out yet, Dylan?
Yeah, I've been out.
I'm not.
Are you out, Ray?
No.
I'm getting back in.
There's the coffee table.
I can't tell which
Dylan,
end is your front and
where
which
are
end is your
you?
back.
Back I found my feet. Ow! I hit my head on the coffee table. Ow, get off of me! Ew, mine smells like perfume.
That's the point.
Get off of me.